Taro forever, guys. Welcome back to another episode here on our... Those cows? Jeez. Far out, man. Gosh. Oh, damn it. Shh. Nga kalusu. Iro para me fia fai povi e kaka sore le ui foi vai la ko povi. Eu sordi umar ko anga. Uma foi le mari ese mere. Oh, ja, den mehr. Talo falava and good morning again, guys. Not the start of the episode we wanted. It's really, I don't know, man. Just lost for words again. I don't know why people want to raise cattle and can't put in the effort to look after their cattle. It's just, I don't know. Just, it's just beyond inconvenient at this point. It's just become a pest now. It's really getting on my nerves. So anyway, guys, talofa, special for talofa to our Ainga members. Hope everyone's okay. It's Saturday here in Samoa. It's a bit after 8 at the moment, so just coming to the plantation to do some chores around the farm, and then again just to check up on the cows as well and the plantations. And rightfully so, we came across cows in the morning. So yeah, not a good start, but hope the day gets better. Hope you guys enjoyed today's content. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, guys. Share our channel. And, see you guys soon. Big. I love it. So see that eldest cow, the new eldest cow I told you about? That's the one calling the shots now. See, calling the other cows to come to drink. Hopefully they all come. I've also got some cassava here. Manioka, we call it in Samoa. So this is the yellow variety. I think there's the white variety as well. So I brought these because I wanted to plant a few at the plot on the other side down there, which doesn't grow well for taro. So might as well try manioka, see if it grows well. But I just want to get the leaves and feed it to the cows now. Yeah, I think they like it. Alright guys, so I'm just sitting here on the other plot, this plot here, which is right next to the main plot. Just checking on how the cows were eating this side. And if you can see, grass was very high and green, but the cows did a quick job of it. And now it's looking pretty brown in here, so yeah, it's good signs. Looks like the cows enjoyed it. I'm happy as well they enjoyed it. But yeah, just gonna take a little break. Was really put off in the morning with those cows that came over. and stomped on the plantation. I like coming to the farms on Saturdays because it's also therapeutic as well. You know, it's nice and calming. If I've got a stressful week at work, I usually come here on the plantation and do some chores and, helps blow off some steam. Unfortunately, this morning was not the case. Yeah, but it's okay. Hopefully get our firearms soon. And then we can slaughter some cows. Those bastards are back. Alright guys, so you guys could see there, we've got 1 here, 2, 3. I'm gonna be doing, oh damn, it's not focusing. There we go. I'm gonna be doing like mounds and stuff. So make a hole and then just use the dirt to build a mound, and then I'll plug in probably 2 or 3 stems of the Manioka, and then we'll leave it. So I think I want to do six of these, but it really depends. So I'm just using a typical garden hoe. I like this tool because it gets deep and also uses less force to plow the dirt. I guess the only time you'd be using much force is when you actually swing it to the ground, but then just plowing it and raising the dirt up is fairly easy so far. That's another reason why I wanted to come early as well, is because just so that I can catch thieves as well. I've got a couple of thieves that were caught this week, so yeah, it's time to hit them on the head. Nah, just kidding. We'll fussy them. No, we're not gonna fuss. Anyway, yeah, probably got another 3 to go and I should be set. Ah, damn, the sun's pretty hot. Oh well.
Hey, are you alright? They ask me, sitting with a glass of whiskey, eyes glazed over, looking at the skyline. Said, friend, you know I love this city, but sometimes you have to excuse me. I let myself get lost up in my mind, and I go to my countryside. Take some time, remember the night, sitting by the fire, leaning back, watching the red sky sunset. Let those bare feet sway and swing. Feel that warm breeze in that piece of my mind. My countryside. Sometimes I wonder why I left my home. I fit in here but don't belong. I miss the grass and the soil beneath my feet. Pecan rolls on Sunday morning, I can smell the fresh warm coffee pouring. Though I am far from home, home is not far from me. I can go to my countryside, take some time, remember nights, sitting by the fire, leaning back, watching the red sky sunset. Let those bare feet sway and swing. Feel that warm breeze in that piece of my mind. My countryside. As though I am far from home, home is not far from me. And one day you know I'll bring you there with me. We can go and find the countryside, Take some time, remember nights sitting by the fire, leaning back, watching the red sky sunset. Let those bare feet sway and swing. Feel that warm breeze in that piece of your mind. The countryside.
Alright guys, so got about 6 holes here. So it's like 3 cassava planting, manioka planting material per hole. It's about 18. So I'm going to get to that, cutting up the bits, but also I think I figured out why this side was super, the taro doesn't grow well on this side. While I was doing this, plowing the soil, the soil was really compact, like really solid, you know, which means that the taro, because the soil isn't loose enough, the taro isn't allowing, it's not allowing the taro to expand, especially the culm, and as a result, this side, this portion of the plantation always suffers. So from all the areas around the plantation, this square here is always, this side always suffers, and the taro grows really slow here, yet the grass grows quicker, and as a result the grass covers the taro before it gets for its leaves to catch some sunlight. So I think that's probably the reason why it's super compact. And just thinking about when we actually, you know, plant the taro, because we do that side to side motion, eventually the soil will compact again. If it's not loose, the area in general, and that's probably the reason why the taro doesn't grow well here. It's pretty solid, to be honest. Feels like concrete. So I guess that's the reason why this side always suffers. But based on the color of the soil, it's really good. I mean, the vegetation, even the root system of the grass growing here, it's really good. So I think it is dense in nutrients, but it's just too compact. But I could be wrong, but that's just based on my observation. Hey, all right, the sun is not helping this. Just waiting for those clouds to get a little bit closer to the sun so I can get some shade. But yeah. Alright, so we've got our cassava stems here, or the manioka stems. I don't want to go too low, or maybe we can still get away with this one, but the ones, the lower parts on these ones probably not. So we're just gonna chop them up into pieces and then we'll go plant them. Alright, now we plant. So as I mentioned, guys, 3 per hole, so just gonna mix it up a bit. Thought I heard someone from that side. Always important to note the orientation Obviously you don't want to plant it upside down. I think I have just enough. Drop this one there, and 2 for the final one. All right. So I have seen this been planted before, and it's kind of like planting over in that you don't plant directly straight down, but just at an angle. So we're going to do that now. This side is pointing up because you can tell by the attachments of where the leaves are. So see it sort of points up. So this is the upside. There you go. All right. All right, just finished planting them. Well, this one only has 2, and there's 3 in each. All right. Reckon that was oh geez, job well done today. Just head back towards the cattle farm, regroup a bit. Obviously I'm a bit tired. We'll go from there. If we let me finger ring on my coil, let me finger ring up. Such is life of a content creator / farmer. Ooh. Alright guys, back here at the cattle farm. Just gonna have a bit of breakfast. It was one of Uncle's news in the car, so I'm just gonna have it for breakfast. Yeah guys. Cheers, guys. Oh, it's good. Oh, look at that, baby. Man, that tastes good.
that until your legs gave way. And you cried and got back up again. And it's real to think that I could fly across a broken bridge in the fading light. Never thought ahead of my 2 feet. Never had a care in the world, you see. Have you heard from the sky all about it? Down the river, high tide flows around it. Through the whispers of pines, I hear them sing. The more you love, the more you live. Have you heard from the sky all about it?
Heel là với lại tớ heel là lại tớ xoa mà heel là với anh ấy. Oh man. Oh, that's good, man. Yeah, yes, you. See, go kayak Singapore. We're gonna collect some coconuts, not that much, and then we're gonna get some more. All right, guys. So you might be wondering why I'm burning coconut leaves. Another important part of the diets for cows is there's this salt. Block of salt we buy from the agriculture store, but you know they're pretty expensive. And I was told by my friends in the Ministry of Agriculture, that some farmers burn the coconut leaves, and it's sort of the same substance that they use to make salt. So it's a good supplement for the cows. They just like that bitter taste. So it's gonna burn and then turn to ash, and then the cows can have a bit of it, but not too much. Yeah, so that's why we're burning it. You guys can see that. Just gonna grab these as well, just so that there's enough. This is like a cheaper alternative that's also available to farmers if you can't afford that salt for the cows. All right, so see, even the cows know. So yeah, it's one of the cheap alternatives that you can use. So once that starts cool down a bit, turn to ash, and then the cows can feed off of it. They're quite anxious now. Let's go. Yeah, ayak singaw. May hui kamay sa kamay. Oloy kemyo me ai. May hui roy ay kamya. Super sweet. Cocoa melon. Do, 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 do. Okay. Mick. Alright guys, got some coconuts here. I think that might be it for us. I don't know if I should get some taro now or come back in the evening. we'll see. Alright guys, so I'm about to head off back home now. But just wanted to show you guys before I leave the new plot we planted during Independence. So see, the majority of them have their first leaves. Got a couple here, but I had to change up because the cows were stomping over them. She's the new ones here, but as you can see, they're still stomping, and that was because of the cows this morning that we showed you. So yeah, not too happy about that, but at least the majority of them have their first leaves now. We are probably hoping for some rain just to give it a bit more, the soil moist. I don't like it the way it's dried up at the moment, but hopefully pray for some for the new taros, but also our manioka or cassava. But yeah, we're gonna head home, guys, and catch you guys there.
Take me where your river flows. I wanna drive on your open road like the wilderness where we are born, singing whoa. There's an ocean in your eyes, a million stars that paint the sky. So we'll drift with the tide singing.
Hey guys, so sorry. Actually thought I just clear that up a bit. There we go. Got home and I accidentally fell asleep. Accidentally on purpose. But yeah, so I just woke up not too long ago. Harvested a few of the manioka plants. So that was from the manioka that I took the cutting material that we planted today at the plantation. So I harvested some of that. I think we got about 2 big ones and a small one. So we're gonna make a fali food now for the family using that. Oh, okay. Yeah, join us, guys.
Wala na niya. Tatulala niya. Tatulala niya. Tatulala niya nga kaya nga.
Manioka.
Manioka. O kaya ay.
Manioka.
Mga po kaya siya ay.
Ay payag kamo.
Siya por kalo. Ito por kalo. Minha foi ali, vai cacau pela o lali yung mami pik. E ave oi pie fai me ai kamo.
Eu pakai kamnya nga. Ini ka manioka.
Lan minha foi ali, ai fa penga. Kamay pepe. Dati kamay pepe mo. Oh, ang ola. Isiap mo kasi 2 por 5. Ifa mo.
Alright guys, so finished peeling it. I think we may have harvested 2 varieties. I like this yellow one, but I think this is the white one. This one's too mature, I think over matured. I've never tried eating this, falifu. But always a first, always time for a first. This yellow one is my favorite one. So we're gonna go put this on the heat and then get cracking on the coconut cream. Alright, bad boys onto the heat. Get starting on the coconuts. Walk over it. Almost ready, guys. You guys saw the white one there. So the white one there is what we usually normally use for to make maswa, kind of like the tapioca we use for vaisalo and stuff. But this one I've never tried it for alif, so I'm not sure. But the yellow one is my favorite one we use for alif pusa. It's yeah, hopefully it tastes good. Oh, this is good. This is good. I like it. Yeah, la sakama. Vila. Alright guys, so we finally finished today's episode. Hope you guys enjoyed it. The manioka, the cassava is now done. I'm gonna hit it with some bisupo, and then yeah, call it a day. I just want to say thank you for supporting the channel, guys. Really appreciate it. Definitely catch you guys on our Sunday cooking episode. But yeah, that's it from me, guys. Hope you guys have a great weekend. We'll see you on our next episode. Until then, God bless, take care, stay safe. See you guys soon.